friends, I had an early wake-up call. My niece needed to go to volleyball practice, but her little sister was having a croup attack, so her mom couldn't take her. So I totally flew over there in my PJs to get her and take her and her friend to volleyball. But it was a success. I got them delivered 10 minutes late, but I got them there. And now I'm about to start a project. I'm making some curtains, but I'm gonna give you a little secret. See these tablecloths? I have made curtains out of tablecloths before, and I've always wanted these buffalo check curtains, but they're so expensive, and I got each of these for $10 freaking. So I'm gonna lay them out, I'll cut them in half, and then I don't think I'm gonna sew them or use stitch witchery. I think instead I'm just going to use curtain hooks for now. I don't know, it depends on how well the cutting goes. If the cutting is a little sketch, I might have to sew a seam or use stitch witchery, but I'll keep you posted. So I've definitely made curtains out of tablecloths before. I use Pioneer Woman, and I buy the 60 inches wide so I can cut them into 30-inch panels and 102 inches in length because I have tall seams. So I've just laid it out across my island, and then I fold it in half so I can find the middle. And since these are check, I know that I can just cut right along this seam. I'm so excited. Okay, I got it cut into 2 pieces. It's a little bit frayy. I just can't care today. I just don't want to sew this or use stitch witchery, so I'm gonna hang them up. Look how cute. I gotta hang the other one, but I just use these curtain hooks, and then you just fold it until you get the right height. Really helps that it is check pattern, so my lines are perfect. I love them. So here's up close. I just pinch it and I'll clip it, and then sometimes this part back here hangs down, so I just fold it back and clip it into that one. Does that make sense? Is that confusing? Look how stinking cute that is. $10, you guys. Look, there's that window. $10. Start buying tablecloths and cutting them in half. They're all finished. Look how cute. I love it. 20 bucks, you guys. 20 bucks. I've already gotten a lot of messages about where I found these tablecloths. They're from Walmart in the Christmas section. They are the fabric ones, not the vinyl. They didn't have them in Shelbyville, but you can check Effingham or Mattoon. I got them in Champaign.